Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add image in Notion table. So here you can see I have this table right here and I want to add images of these apps, like I want to add logos of these apps here. In order to do that we need to click on this plus icon to add column. So just click here and just search for files. You will see this one, we have to click here and the column will be added. And if you want to rename this column you can do that too. I want to name this one logos because I'm gonna add logos of these apps. Then just click anywhere else and the section will be added here. Now select the cell where you want to add image. I want to add image of Instagram logo, so I'll just click on this. Then just choose a file if you have the image in your computer, and if you don't have you can embed the link also. Right now I have Instagram logo on my computer, so I'll just click on choose file. So this is the logo right here. I'll just double click on it, and yeah, you can see they have added the logo of Instagram. Now it's time for PayPal, so I can just click on this cell, click on choose a file, and the PayPal logo is right here, so I'll again double click on it. And yeah, there you go, we have added the PayPal logo too. Now it's time for YouTube, so just click on this cell and this time I'm gonna embed a link. So click on embed link, go to browser and choose the image which you want to add there. I want to add this image, so for that I need to hit right click on the image, then click on open image in new tab. The image will be added on new tab. So right here we need to copy this address and paste on this cell and just click on link. And yeah, you can see we have added images. So if you want to view any particular image you can just click on that and the image will be open in full screen. So this is just the thumbnail of your image. But yeah, that's how you can add image in Notion table. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.